everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since my last update, but I did want to jump on here. The reason I haven't really updated my portfolio on YouTube is I haven't made any purchases. Obviously, if you're following the market, it's not the greatest time to make any rash decisions out there, either buying or selling. So I just wanted to jump on and let everybody know I'm still investing. I haven't made any deposits this month. That's basically why I haven't updated the portfolio. My portfolio, though, full disclosure, if you're watching it, if you haven't seen it, it is down, unfortunately, but we are still keeping the path going forward. I will be doing a deposit towards the end of the month and still investing slowly to average into the positions that I do have. I'm happy with my portfolio, haven't sold anything, haven't bought anything. A few of the dividends are still kind of rolling in, so that's always good to see. But I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm still doing the channel. There was a few questions I had posted. People think I'm giving up. No, not giving up. This is the time to think double down, look at your portfolio, don't make any rash decisions. I'm not certainly making any rash decisions. This again is a long-term thing. But on the flip side of that, it might not be a bad time to maybe keep a little bit of cash on the side to see some opportunity, but also for a rainy day. Obviously, inflation is out there, things are getting more expensive, not as much money to necessarily invest all the time with food costs going up, gas price going up, all that kind of stuff. So just look at your portfolio. I'm looking at mine, just gonna scale back a little bit on the investing, but I will still be carrying forward as we go. I will have an update after I do a purchase on the portfolio, and hopefully by then, maybe the market will kind of, I don't expect a recovery anytime soon to be back up to where we were. But hopefully things will start to maybe level off in the next little bit to make things a bit more, just a bit less devastating when you're looking at your portfolio. That being said, check out my community tab. I posted an article. A lot of people are investing, obviously this channel, investing with Wealthsimple. I know some people have the Wealthsimple Invest product. That's kind of a product that you can put on autopilot to do regular deposits. And if you're watching some of my last videos, I do have my RRSP in there. So I'm still adding my weekly deposits to that into my RSP, but they have a great article. I posted the link to it on my community tab. I will also link it down below. Check that out. It's a good article about how to invest when the market looks like this. It can be very, very emotional. I get that. It makes you really think, makes you panic, makes you go through all sorts of emotions. So great article to read. Check that out. We'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for following along. If you have questions or comments or concerns about anything, let me know down in the comments below. It'd be great to try and answer for you. But we've also got a great community of investors that follow along this channel, that if I don't know the answer, I mean, I'm not a financial planner, but if I don't know the answer, someone can maybe help you out with that answer to your investment question. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in the next video.